Let's learn how you can add loyalty card to your Apple Wallet. So you can have two methods. First one is if your card has QR code and it's able to be scanned, you can scan it from your phone and add directly to your wallet. Second thing, you can download third-party app software from your app store, so it's a legit one. I will use barcodes for this tutorial. So install it and open it. This will be your page when you don't have anything. What you want to do is click on your plus sign in top right corner and you have few options here. You can scan with camera, use document scanner, import for photos, and enter details manually. Now, if you don't have any of these options, you can enter your details manually. So here you have information, graphics, notes, primary photo and secondary photo. You can just fill in everything right here and click on save. Then your card will be added right here and you can connect it to your Apple Wallet. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.